Hello everybody, Cliff Whitney from AtlantaHobby.com. We're off Ronald Reagan Boulevard, and there's nothing better during the holidays than a good family experience. And what's really cool this year is my favorite hobby, which is astronomy. We have a tremendous amount of telescopes. The issue with telescopes over the years has been you buy one of these things, you try to use it, it's difficult, you can't find anything, and you put it in the corner of your living room and it becomes a piece of furniture. Well, not anymore, because now Celestron, one of the largest telescope manufacturers in the world, has developed a really cool app. And the way this works is you come up to your scope, there's a little piece on the side, you just put your telephone in it, do a couple of quick adjustments inside out and up and down, and you run their app. And what happens at that point is your telephone knows where you're at because it has a GPS in it. So it knows the date, it knows the time, and it knows where you're at. And the app does what's called plate solving. Sounds complicated, but it's really easy. The telephone looks down at a mirror, which looks up at the stars, and the app then recognizes where it's at. It'll present you with a list of objects that you can see. You simply click on the object on your phone, move the telescope in the direction you need to move, and you'll look through the eyepiece and see the object. It's really cool. This time of year, Saturn is up. You can see the rings really nice. You can see some of Saturn's moons, Jupiter. It's really, really exciting, and it's a great way to spend an evening with your family outside. So let me take you on a little tour. I'm going to show you a little bit about the telescopes we have. We have a tremendous amount of scopes. The one I just showed you with plate solving starts at $479. It's not very expensive to be able to enjoy what you're seeing up in the sky. You move up to the next star lines, those are in the $600, $800, $1,500 ranges. Those are very similar to the other one I showed you, but they have built-in motors, so it will track with the stars. And with all of these scopes, you can put your phone on it and do astrophotography right through your telephone. It's very, very simple. As we come on around, a lot of the scopes get bigger and bigger. We've got some 8-inch scopes, some 9-inch scopes, even some 11-inch telescopes. We have more telescopes on the floor than you will find anywhere in the eastern United States. It's actually really, really rare to see this many scopes. And then as you come on over here further, another really good gift for the holidays is a simple pair of binoculars. And the way you understand binoculars, it's actually quite simple. They have two numbers on them. One is like an 8x50. The first number 8 is the power, and the second number 50 is the brightest. So if you have an 8x50 and another pair might be an 8x30, they both have the same power, but the 8x50s will be brighter, a little bit clearer. And then we get into all different types of glass and optics. We have 40 or 50 different pair of binoculars here in the shop for you to look at. We have spotting scopes, we have some tabletop telescopes, and all of the accessories necessary to make this really fun. So come on by Atlanta Hobby. Again, we're on Ronald Reagan Boulevard. We have experts here. We can tell you all about all of the products. Guaranteed Santa approved. It'll be a great time outside. Get a blanket, look at Jupiter, look at Saturn. It's very cool.